increase your conversions, get more book calls, and not only that, make sure that your brand and your services and your business is out there for the world. I wanted to actually take a moment, take a split second to actually share with you some of the common misconceptions that are happening in the online world, where people are literally just driving tons and tons and tens and thousands of dollars into ads and leading them to somewhere where it might not even make sense to the consumer, you. So, for example, if you take a look at a typical ad, right? People are like, hey, take it to a landing page. And you know what? You can even do a webinar. Ooh, that sucks. That's standard. Also, another one that you might even see is, here's an ad. Take it to the messenger bot, right? Let's put a sad face for the bot because they can't even know who you are, right? Bots. Then, supposedly, that's gonna engage with you. That's gonna know what it is that you need. And by the way, you're also gonna buy from that bot immediately. That's the misconception. And those two options, option 1 and option 2, are basically what's out there in the ad world today. But what we like to call a real value proposition to you is actually share with you the actual strategy that has gotten us to where we are today. By the way, we were living in Asia, millions of miles away from home, and we couldn't really connect with anyone in the United States or even Europe or even Canada to actually buy our products and services. So we had to find a way to not only connect with them, but also let them know that we're amazing, that we can actually help them, that we have exactly what they need. And that takes time to develop. That takes a lot of nurturing and processing. So what we've developed, and I'm sure that you've come across this already, this is nothing new, and this is all built within you already, is human-to-human connection. Have you heard of this one? Human-to-human connection? When was the last time you went to Starbucks or where you had a coffee with someone, you looked at them in the eye and you had a conversation fully? Right? Weird. In today's time, it's very hard to actually express that. So what we've come up with is actually none of this. Get rid of everything that you see here, because the type of strategy that we do, it doesn't involve an ad. It does not involve a bot. It does not involve an automation. And most importantly, you will know exactly who you're connecting with, what it is that they do, and they will know exactly who you are, what you're all about, and how they can learn more about you. If that's something you're interested in, click the link below. I'm going to share with you more information on that.